Okay, we're just going to have a quick look at solving a basic great circle problem where you need to find the initial and final courses and the distance. So in this instance we're going from latitude A 3427 north to latitude B 4123 south with a total D longitude of, or difference in longitude of 145.44 minutes, and we're going in an easterly direction. Okay, so we're going from A to B, easterly direction, and you can see the way I've drawn that, we're going from a northern hemisphere to a southern hemisphere, which is 3427 north to 4123 south. So the value PA is going to be 90 degrees minus latitude A, so it's 90 degrees minus 3427 is 55 degrees 33. And we would convert that to 55.55 when we're using our calculator. And I've chosen this example because, of course, PB is 90 degrees plus latitude B. So PB becomes 131 degrees 23, which is 131.38. So in this instance, it's 90 degrees plus the latitude. In the first instance, it was 90 degrees minus latitude. So we've got values of PA and PB, and we know our value of P, which is 145.44, and we would obviously convert that to 105.73. So we convert all of those to decimals. We put them all into the formula, and as I mentioned in the previous example, you'd use brackets and solve that first one, and then you'd have plus, and then you'd have brackets again to solve the second. In the first instance, if you do this, you should get 122.8 degrees, which comes to 7,368 miles. So you simply multiply 122.8 by 60, and that gives you 7368. So the distance A to B is 7368. And we needed that value because to get our initial course and our final course, we need the value AB. So we get our distance first, and we'd use PA and PB to do that, as you can see there. So the initial course, we've written down the values there. Again, be careful with your calculator. Cosine 131.38 minus, and then brackets, and get the value, divided by brackets there. Okay, so initial course is 120.4, and of course it's northeast because we're in the northern hemisphere and we're going easterly, so it's 120.4 degrees true, 120.4. Final course, again, feed everything into the formula, and you end up with 70.8 degrees. Now we're still going east, but now it becomes south, so southeast, so that's less 180, so our course is actually 109.2. So if you did this problem, if you wrote down these values and did this problem, these are the answers you should get. 109.2 is your final course, 120.4 is your initial course, and the total distance you've covered is 7,368 miles. So that's just showing you how you would set out the PA and PB if you're in different hemispheres with your latitude.